Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you beautiful gravel garden design and tips for creating amazing outdoor garden living space with the natural gravel garden ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Gravel gardens, with their minimalist aesthetic and low maintenance requirements, have captured the imagination of modern landscape designers. But beyond their contemporary appeal lies a deeper connection to nature's resilience. This video, brought to you by Homes Decor Designs, delves into the essence of gravel gardens, exploring their benefits, design considerations, and plant selections to help you cultivate your own captivating oasis. Gravel gardens, also known as dry gardens, are landscapes that utilize gravel as a primary ground cover, replacing traditional options like mulch or grass. This approach fosters a unique ecosystem that thrives on well-drained soil and drought-tolerant plants. The exposed gravel creates a textural contrast, highlighting the form and color of the chosen flora, while simultaneously suppressing weeds and minimizing water needs. There are numerous advantages to incorporating a gravel garden into your design scheme. Here are some key benefits to consider. First, low maintenance. Gravel gardens require minimal upkeep. The absence of grass eliminates the need for mowing, and the gravel itself discourages weeds. Watering requirements are significantly reduced due to the focus on drought-tolerant plants and efficient drainage. Second, water conservation. By utilizing drought-resistant plants and minimizing surface evaporation through the use of gravel, gravel gardens promote sustainability by reducing overall water usage. This is particularly beneficial in regions with limited water resources. Third, year-round interest. Gravel gardens offer a dynamic visual experience throughout the seasons. Evergreen foliage adds structure in winter, while bursts of color from flowering plants come alive in spring and summer. The muted tones of the gravel provide a constant yet calming backdrop. Fourth, versatility. Gravel gardens can be adapted to suit a variety of design styles, from contemporary minimalism to rustic charm. The choice of gravel size, color, and plant selection allows for personalization and allows the garden to seamlessly integrate with your existing architecture. Here are some design considerations to elevate the visual appeal of your gravel garden. First, create focal points. Introduce sculptural elements like boulders, strategically placed rocks, or water features to add visual intrigue. Specimen plants with bold foliage or vibrant blooms can also serve as focal points. Second, incorporate texture. Combine smooth gravel with rough textured plants like ornamental grasses or succulents to create a dynamic interplay of textures. Using different sizes of gravel can also add visual interest. Third, embrace color play. Select plants with contrasting foliage colors and flowers that bloom in succession throughout the season. Gravel in a complementary or contrasting color can further enhance the color palette. Fourth, define pathways. Incorporate stepping stones or create meandering paths with defined edges using edging materials like metal or corten steel. This not only enhances accessibility but also adds structure and visual interest. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best gravel garden design ideas. 1. Fire pit retreat. Create a cozy gathering space by incorporating a fire pit into your gravel garden design. Surround it with comfortable seating and drought-tolerant plants that can withstand some heat. String lights overhead add a touch of magic for evening gatherings. 2. Succulent symphony. For a low-maintenance and visually striking garden, create a succulent paradise. Utilize a variety of textures, shapes, and colors within the succulent family, and complement them with decorative gravel in contrasting tones. Terracotta pots add a touch of the Mediterranean. 3. Rustic charm. Embrace a natural aesthetic by incorporating weathered wood elements like benches, planters, or fencing. Use a mix of gravel sizes and textures, and introduce plants with a soft, romantic feel like lavender, catmint, and nepeta. 4. Moonlit mystery. For a captivating evening garden, choose light-colored gravel that reflects moonlight. Select plants with silvery or white foliage that will shimmer in the low light. Introduce strategically placed lanterns or solar lights for added ambience. 5. Tropical escape. In warmer climates, create a lush yet drought-tolerant haven with gravel pathways and colorful flowering plants like bird of paradise, cannas, and ornamental gingers. Large potted palms or banana trees can add a touch of the tropics. 6. Vertical oasis. Maximize space in a small area by incorporating vertical gardening elements like hanging planters or wall planters. Select drought-tolerant vining plants like trailing succulents or ornamental sweet potato vine to create a cascading effect. 7. Children's paradise. Create a fun and engaging space for children by incorporating stepping stones or a small gravel pathway. Choose colorful, low-maintenance flowering plants that are safe for children to touch and explore. Add a small water feature or bird feeder to attract wildlife. 8. Rock garden extravaganza. For a dramatic effect, create a rock garden within your gravel landscape. Use a variety of sizes and textures of rocks, incorporating boulders, pebbles, and flat stones. Intersperse drought-tolerant plants that thrive in rocky environments like alpine wildflowers and ornamental grasses. 9. Cottage garden charm. Embrace a whimsical and romantic feel by incorporating overflowing flower beds within your gravel garden design. Select cottage garden favorites like roses, delphiniums, and foxgloves. Use a variety of colors and textures for a delightful display. 10. Minimalist masterpiece. For a sleek and sophisticated garden, focus on clean lines and a limited color palette. Use black or white gravel with architectural plants like yuccas and agaves. A strategically placed water feature adds a touch of serenity. Choosing the right plants is essential for the success and visual appeal of your gravel garden. Here are some key factors to consider. First, drought tolerance. Gravel gardens thrive on minimal moisture, therefore, plants that require consistent watering are not suitable. Focus on drought-tolerant species with deep root systems that can access water stored deeper in the soil. Second, sun exposure. Assess the amount of sunlight your garden receives throughout the day. Select plants that thrive in full sun, partial shade, or full shade depending on the location of your gravel garden. Third, mature size. Consider the mature size of the plants when choosing varieties. Leave enough space for them to grow without overcrowding each other or creating maintenance difficulties. Fourth, foliage and flower color. Play with contrasting and complementary colors to create a visually engaging composition. Evergreen foliage adds structure year-round, while flowering plants bring bursts of color in spring and summer. And here these the examples of suitable plants for gravel gardens. First, low-growing perennials such as yarrow, catmint, lamb's ears, phlox, sedum. Second, ornamental grasses such as feather reed grass, blue fescue, maiden grass. Third, succulents such as sedum varieties, hens and chicks, aloe vera, and depending on climate. Fourth, shrubs such as lavender, rosemary, butterfly bush, potentilla. Fifth, cacti such as prickly pear cactus, ball cactus, shore, depending on climate. Sixth, herbs such as thyme, oregano, sage, chives. Seventh, bulbs such as daffodils, alliums, crocus. Gravel gardens offer a beautiful and sustainable solution for modern landscapes. With their low maintenance requirements, water conservation benefits, and design versatility, they are a perfect choice for busy homeowners and eco-conscious individuals. By incorporating the design tips and plant selections outlined in this video, you can create your own captivating gravel garden that thrives with minimal effort. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring garden design ideas and expert tips. Leave a comment below and share your favorite gravel garden design elements. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.